Welcome to the Spotlight series with me, Suman Agarwal, after a very, very long time. So, before we begin, I'm the co-founder and director of Image Consulting Business Institute. And here we are live today with one more image consultant and a soft skills trainer from ICBI. Somebody who's certified, somebody who's already doing some work in the market, and somebody who's already been there, seen it, and still experiencing the journey of being into this profession. So the person who is joining with me over here is Janani Venkatraman from Delhi, and we'll be going live. We've already started the live conversation, but I'll be adding her into this conversation and understand how the whole journey is all about and what is the great or the most valuable takeaway from this journey, being into the profession of image consultant and a soft skills trainer. So just waiting for Janani to join, and once she's here we'll get started with the conversation. Before that, let me just see who all have joined. All right, hi everybody, very good afternoon to all of you. Okay, so I have Janani here and I'm just adding her into this live session. Hello, how are you, Janani?
Good afternoon, Suman ma'am. It's an honor to meet you virtually,
Good
though.
afternoon to you, and pleasure is mine. Thank you for accepting this invite. How have you been?
I have been good. I have been good. Never better. I mean, amazing.
Wonderful. So, Janani, I want to ask you that how has becoming an image consultant and a soft skills trainer with ICBI has changed your life?
Suman ma'am, from transforming myself to transforming others, this journey has been a beautiful exchange of positive, enriching energy. It's helped me evolve into a more aware and empathetic and wholesome individual, honestly. I
Wonderful.
mean, the impact I create today is deeply, deeply fulfilling, and I really, really owe a lot of this shift to the solid foundation ICBI has provided. I mean, attending Rakesh sir's classes and your sessions, it has been really enriching for me. And this is not just a profession for me anymore, it is a way of life.
Wonderful. But do you really think, because a lot of people believe that this profession is largely for celebrities and corporate, do you agree with that?
No. I don't agree with it, Suman ma'am, because image and communication, whether you are a student, homemaker, teacher, entrepreneur, even corporate professionals, um, what matters the most is how we present ourselves and how we are perceived. I mean, this is basically a life skill, and everyone deserves the tools to express and express confidently, basically, and authentically
Right.
themselves. So they have to present themselves that way. So it's a combination, and we need it. Everyone needs it, not only celebrities and corporates. Everyone needs it, even at home.
Wonderful. You left a very comfortable, cushy job and started your own venture. How did you gather the courage to do it? Because most people who are, in a comfortable job don't even think about starting something of their own. तो आपके दिमाग में
Yes.
कैसे आ गया?
मैम हमेशा से ना बड़ा कुछ करना था, एंड आई न्यू दैट इन माई हार्ट दैट आई विल बी डूइंग समथिंग fruitful for myself. My sole and first and foremost inspiration has been my father. So he was a self-made entrepreneur, and he saw the potential in me. He believed in me. And when I was a teacher and coordinator for over a decade, I was constantly told I had the power to influence beyond the classroom. And that feedback combined with the belief in me gave me the courage to launch my own company called Navivan Consultative Services, and raise my own platform to empower others now.
Wow, lovely, lovely. So, tell me something. Now, if somebody says that I don't have a psychology background or fashion background or a corporate background,
Mm-hmm.
do you think that they are the right fit to become image consultant and soft skills trainers?
Not necessarily. I mean, you don't need a psychology or a fashion background to become a consultant or trainer. I mean, I come from an education background,
Hmm.
and what matters right now is your passion to empower others. And you should get the right training from the right place. Like I got from ICBI, and it enabled me, and it gave me the structure and clarity how to proceed ahead. And background is not a limitation. It's our own unique strength which we need to believe in. And you can definitely become an image consultant and soft skills trainer. Absolutely.
Excellent. Lovely. So tell me, Janani, what kind of clients do you work with? Are they only students or homemakers or corporate professionals? मतलब आपका niche या आपके target market क्या है और कैसे काम करते हो उनके साथ?
So I have a wide variety of clients, ma'am. I have worked since I am married to a defense personnel, so I have been associated with the defense wives and the fraternity. So they have been absolutely encouraging and accepting that yes, soft skills training is the need of the hour. So they are my major clientele. And also, since I'm a performing artist, so many of them are students and performers, upcoming artists who want to, give a stage presence. So they are my clients. And of course, teachers, teenagers, and corporate staff. I mean, all of them, they come individually for one on one sessions or as a group to
You
take
play
training
flute, if
programs.
I'm not mistaken, right?
Yes, ma'am?
You play flute.
Yes, I play flute.
So how did you get the motivation to start as a flutist?
So from the age of 5, I have been into singing and Carnatic music. My mother was my inspiration. She always envisioned and aspired that I should become a stage performer and artist, and I should, carry on the legacy of her singing and my performing. So that is how I got into playing flute, and I play it.
And you sing as well.
Yes,
So singing and flute together.
yes, yes.
Amazing. That's really amazing. So
Thank
आप
you.
corporate training में भी flute बजाते हो कि नहीं बजाते हो?
बजाया हुआ है. पीपल ऑलवेज लुक फॉरवर्ड टू मैम एक बार आप एक ब्रेक में गाना एक एक ये नोट सुनाइए. सो everywhere I go they always want to listen to me play flute, so it's quite dearly
Wonderful.
when they
And
approach.
that must be so amazing. So amazing. Lovely.
Yes.
Uh, can you share any transformation story where you felt an impact not just on the person who got transformed, but also on yourself?
I have a story to share, ma'am. It was very uplifting for me personally. So, one-on-one session I conducted of a budding entrepreneur. She was really wanting to, open her own venture, and she had no idea how to go about it, and how to, approach people to collaborate and start her own setup. And she was an avid baker, and she used to make a lot of pickles and confectionery items. So she came to me, and I gave her the session, the knowledge which I gained from ICBI, and with thorough, training and hand holding, she got to start up her own venture, and she has established her business, registered it, and now she is starting to market her products all over India. And she, when she showed me her progress from just learning and trying to imbibe all these theories, and she actually did it, I felt so nice that yes, this is what we have been looking for. to
Wow.
empower each other, to uplift each other. And that really, motivated me further to, broaden my horizon and help as much people as I can. And that is the vision, ma'am. Honestly, I have learned from ICBI that how to, take everyone along with you, help each other so that all of us can achieve our maximum, goals in life.
True. I think we lost you in between for a moment. Now we are back.
Yes.
All right. So, if someone wants to make a small change in their communication, what could that
Mhm.
change be so that they can make a maximum impact with their presence?
When you are communicating, so we must always have a smile. It is very comforting for the other person that yes, the person we are communicating with is approachable, and we should maintain a soft eye contact and a clear voice. So these three small changes will be perceived positively, and we'll even feel good about ourselves when we are communicating. The conversation will be confident and smooth.
So, smile is a very important
Smile.
aspect, and also your facial expressions.
Absolutely, ma'am.
Yeah, that's right because that also eases a lot of people who are listening to you and also seeing how you are communicating or how you are talking.
Yes.
Wonderful. Uh, do you think image consulting is all about looks and clothes, or there is more to it?
Ma'am, that is just one layer. The
Mm-hmm.
real work is on confidence, communication, etiquette, self presentation, and our inner alignment. I mean, image consulting is about bridging our inner confidence with our outer expression. Definitely, our attire, our clothes help out, but our character completes the whole look. That is what I feel.
That's very true. A lot of people who have this impression that everything related with image is on the first layer or on the superficial aspect. I think they don't understand the psychological implications of what image can do to them. So
Yes.
that is something which people need to understand before they form any kind of judgment because a lot of things are what looks like the first layer is actually very deep rooted. So once you get into the depth of everything, that is where you understand the core of
Absolutely.
because the why of everything that you do in life lies deep within. It's not on the first layer. So that is what people need to understand that there is much more to what we actually perceive or what we actually believe image consulting or image management to be. Excellent.
Yes.
So, for someone who's sitting on the fence, decide what advice or what suggestions would you give to them, or him or her
So
rather?
I would just tell them take the leap. We don't need to be perfect, right? And we just need to have that passion and that willingness to learn. And with the right support and this, this thing could become our turning point. So just take the leap and go ahead and, be persistent. Don't stop. That's what I have realized. You should
I
be
think the most
persistent.
important thing people don't realize is that when you do too much of overthinking,
Yes.
that also is a very big factor that can sabotage your life decisions, which are very, very important in life. So, not just about becoming an image consultant and a soft skills trainer, even otherwise, when you think and when your intuition says that you should do something, don't stop yourself because sometimes your intuition is right. And when you do overthinking and too much of analysis, you can definitely go wrong. So, kabhi kabhi
Yes.
analysis chalta hai, but sometimes when too much of analysis happens, it leads to paralysis. So, it does
Yes,
not
ma'am.
make any sense. But yes. Absolutely. I have personally always gone with my first intuitive feeling or intuitive sense, and that has always been the right way to go about, life. One message that you would like to leave our audience with, because this is the last question that I'm asking you. What is that one message that you would like to give to all the people here?
I would like to tell them, if you are planning to pursue image management and soft skills training and go ahead in it further, so come with commitment and not only with curiosity but with thorough, full commitment. Because I have experienced it. This field is absolutely rewarding and it requires consistency, just as I explained earlier. And we need to, work on ourselves first and have a very nice positive mindset. There will be challenges, 100%. Life will have its ups and downs, but the growth, which is personal and professional, it is worth every bit. Because when we achieve our success, we feel happy. So we have to just work hard on the lines and never stop working for it. That is what it is.
Amazing. And has this been your way to go about in life as well? I mean, has this
100%.
been your mantra to become successful?
100%, ma'am. The smaller victories I have achieved has always motivated me to go further and further ahead. These have inspired me to, give a vision to what I had always envisioned in myself, to empower and to uplift each and everyone who's coming along with us. I have, beautifully, followed every aspect what ICBI has, imbibed in me, the trainings, the thorough, knowledge of mentors and watching you, sir. I mean, this has been so inspiring. I really have learned a lot that this is how I should be. These small
Amazing.
victories eventually become a greater success. And that belief is a very strong belief to hold with, which I will always carry on with myself. And that is how, when you keep on persisting and, working hard towards it, you will absolutely, absolutely, achieve your goal and success. I mean, a person like me coming from an education background and starting my own company, registering it and empowering others and getting contracts, if I have been able to do it, anyone can do it. 100%. I mean, that's the belief we should have in our own self. And I
Brilliant.
really am grateful to ICBI, Rakesh sir and you, ma'am, and all the mentors of ICBI who have, trained me and given me such insight that yes, everything is possible, not impossible.
Absolutely. Absolutely. Lovely, lovely. Great, Janvi. Now we'll open questions to all the audience who are here. If you have any questions, ladies and gentlemen, please feel free, because we'll keep these question answers for 5 minutes and then we can close this live session. So another 5 minutes. You have 5 minutes time. Please put your questions in the comment section for me or Janvi, and we'll be more than happy to give you the answers. Let's see if we have any question that has come earlier. Sanchita. Yes, Sanchita, welcome to ICBI. I've recently joined Image Consulting and Soft Skills Training course. Lovely. Anybody who has any questions, please feel free, because we are waiting only for the next 5 minutes and then we can close this live session. Janni ma'am, did you never doubt yourself when you began your journey?
I can be honest about it. I knew I had to do something big in life, and the feedback I had received from people always motivated me that yes, I can do it. 1% doubt always, occurred. Will it be possible? Will I be able to, complete this journey and, start with it. 1% it came, but the motivation, the drive, the inspiring people surrounded all around me, they, pushed me to achieve my limits and, achieve whatever I can do. They never stopped believing in me. My mentors, my trainers, my parents, my well wishers, they were the actual power. So that was a more, uplifting factor. That 1% doubt just vanished away. So,
Lovely. Excellent. Uh, will the session be activity based? Yes, Anupriya. All sessions are activity based, and there's a lot of interactivity during the live sessions that we have here. So we do the online live sessions. We don't have physical sessions apart from the 11 days that we have, like 8 days of train the trainer and 3 days of train the consultant. But apart from that, we have online live virtual sessions. So we have a hybrid training methodology, and we have a lot of activities which are involved during the sessions. Please elaborate interpersonal skills in personal and professional career. Janani, you want to take this?
sure. So, interpersonal skills in our personal life matter with the relationships we have with our husband, siblings, and children, and around our home, and in the personal life, whoever we meet, right? And professional career is the place where we are working, and how we are managing. Are we able to, communicate with them, agreeing to disagree? Are we able to, project what we are feeling professionally? And it is in a very subtle and polite manner. So these are the two differences between interpersonal and personal and professional aspect. Also, it is very important to understand when we start these skills, conditioning ourselves in our personal life, we will naturally reflect it in our professional life 100%, because the way you are conducting yourself with people around you on a daily basis, that will naturally reflect and condition you to, be like that with the professionals around you in your working place. It will definitely help. That is how it transformed me as well. So start from your own self around you, and then when you work, you will see that it is that, behavior is reflecting and being appreciated by everyone. That yes,
So,
we are
Princey, just to add to what Janani just mentioned, interpersonal skills are also a part of your communication skills. And how you communicate with yourself is one aspect, but how do you communicate with people in your life? Whether it is your personal life, professional life, social life. Some people leave a long lasting mark on the other people with great interpersonal skills, which means that you build relationship in such a way that people remember you for lifetime. That's called positive and great interpersonal skills. If you are not able to have great relationship with people and there are always conflicts which are not being able to resolve, those are known as poor interpersonal skills, because day to day
Hmm.
you are arguing, you are conflicting. And once that happens, that's a very clear cut sign that your interpersonal skills are not strong and you need to work upon it. Because अगर आपके interpersonal skills strong नहीं होंगे, आपके relationship strong नहीं होगी, किसी के साथ भी नहीं होगी. So
True.
you need to greatly work on your interpersonal skills for you to have better relationships with people, not just A, B, C people, but everywhere, all over. Your personal, social, and professional life have to be great primarily on the basis of your interpersonal communication. So I hope you understand that what is the meaning of interpersonal skills in personal and professional career. If you really want to grow in your professional life and personal life, interpersonal skills तो सीखने ही पड़ेंगे, कोई option नहीं है.
True.
I have joined ICBI. This is Sneha. Because I was so inspired by Janni. Wow, I found a great friend in her. So I hope you know who is Sneha Janni.
Yes, ma'am, I know her. She's a very dear friend of mine, and she is currently in Vietnam and she's pursuing the business program. And she also has a lot of potential. She will definitely shine with ICBI's training.
Wonderful.
Absolutely.
So Gagan is asking Janani ma'am, uh, where you did see Navivan in the next 5 years?
Where do I see Navivan in the next 5 years? I see Navivan as the next leading company uh, in giving trainings in image management and soft skills training program the next 5 years, and hopefully we will broaden our horizons for all those individuals who are aspiring to become the better version of themselves.
Excellent. So I hope you get the answer, Gagan. What are your future plans, Janani
My future
Mufasa?
plans are to build Navivan consultative services and help all the people who are coming to me to empower themselves and unleash their full potential and achieve success in their personal, professional, startup, any thing they are pursuing ahead. So I would like to do that. And
Wonderful.
currently, I'm having a, government contract as well, so which has been a major, uh, thumbs up for Navivan that we could crack that deal, and we would be, aligning with the government and proceeding with our training programs. So that is an achievement.
Amazing, amazing. That's a wonderful thing to hear. Congratulations.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Okay, so Sadhvi is asking how soft skills helps entrepreneurs. So Sadhvi, first and foremost, soft skills can help everybody. In fact, soft skills do help everybody. And uh, when it comes to entrepreneurs, first and foremost, like we just discussed, all those elements which are required for you to become successful, soft skills largely take care of all of them. So, be it your interpersonal communication, be it your emotional intelligence, your empathy quotient, your transactional analysis, which is very, very important because you need to understand everybody's ego state before you actually deal with people. So, people dealing, conflict resolution, vocal, verbal communication, public speaking, because as an entrepreneur you will also be speaking with the audience, so all these things become a part and parcel of soft skills. And as a successful entrepreneur, in fact I would say if you really want to become successful in an entrepreneurial venture as well, you
Hmm.
definitely need to acquire soft skills, because without soft skills you can't proceed further. Technical skills आपके इतने काम आएगा, soft skills आपको इतना काम आएगा.
True.
So everywhere, day to day life may be, and even in your professional life, soft skills is the need of the hour. So if you really want to become successful, and this is not me who's talking, Harvard research says 80% of your success is attributed to soft skills and only 20% to your hard skills, which is your technical skills. So you need to understand that if you really at after a particular point in life, it is your soft skills that will take you to the next level. But people don't understand this. They understand this only when they realize it the hard way. But we are here to make you realize that this is the time. The moment you realize that soft skills is the need of the hour, come, become a soft skills professional today so that your tomorrow becomes much, much better. Right? Does these sessions also help us in transforming our personal relationship? Of course. Of course, your image consulting, your soft skills training first are applied on you, yourself, and then on others. It works, and it works like a magic in your personal life and then, of course, in your professional life as well. Janani helped me a lot during TTT and also motivated a lot. This is Kriti. She was helpful not only to me, however, to everyone. Wonderful, Janani. You're getting a lot of compliments. What magic are you
Thank
doing?
you. Ma'am, all
That's
of
good.
them have been amazing. I mean, I'm blessed and grateful to universe and God that they have, showered me with, such encouraging people all around all the time who have, supported me. So all I can give back is love and my support. I can help anyone, anytime, anywhere. That is what I believe in, to, be for others. And they are also equally so sweet. सब अच्छे हैं तो अच्छे ही लगेंगे सबको.
Excellent, excellent. Thanks for the content provided by both the great ladies. Wow, what a compliment. Thank you, Princey. Ma'am, in an ever changing world of trends, how can someone set their basics right? Whether dressing or way of talking and all. That is why we are here, no, Simran, to align all those things. So it's not about trends, it's about your own individuality, your authenticity through your personal style. And this is what we take care during image consulting sessions. Okay. Thank you so much, ma'am. That was Sadhvi. You're welcome, Sadhvi. And I think we are done. Wonderful. Thank you so much, everybody. Janani, thanks a lot. This was a wonderful conversation. And I think a lot of people were interacting today. They were all involved in this conversation, which is a wonderful thing. And all you people, if you have any question about image consulting, soft skills training, feel free to reach out to me either directly on Suman Magic or on ICBI, and we'll be more than happy to help you. I'm planning to understand about this course. Great, Bhagyashri. If you want to know more, you can just write to us on the same platform, ICBI India, or you can write to me on Suman Magic. We'll be more than happy to help you. Amazing. Thanks a lot. All the very
Thank you so
best.
much, ma'am.
And Janani, once again, all the very best to you. And
Thank
really looking
you.
forward to meeting you next time when I'm there in Delhi.
Absolutely, ma'am. It would be an honor. Absolutely. Thank
Wonderful,
you so
wonderful
much. Thank
having
you.
you here. And I'll see all of you next week. Until then, this is Janani and Suman Agarwal signing off for today. All right. Bye bye.